So this is gonna be a Christmas gift for one of my grandsons. And I'm gonna try to make this a galaxy looking thingy. We're just gonna try and put a little bit of, I seen this on somebody's channel and she said that Claire's Crafty Corner had done it. And I was like, hey, let's give it a try. I was just cleaning this mold. I might take some of that off. Hey, look at that. Ooh, I like that better. Look at these little tiny stars on there. Just gonna see if we can get some out of here. And we'll do a little silver glitter. We don't want it everywhere, but you know, some areas. And then let's put a little bit of this. It's just holographics, a little pink. Just kind of sprinkle that around everywhere. I'm gonna get my brush, my little brush, and I'm gonna start. Oops, this one hasn't been opened. Guess I should show you which color it is first. It's olive. All I'm gonna do is dab it in there, and then get some color on here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with some, oops, I spilled my stars. I think that means they need to go on there. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off. Now we're gonna get some, this is magenta. My brush off. Now we're gonna go, whoops. Now we're gonna go in with the blue. This is blue. Oh. Okie dokie. We will see what happens. I feel like I need some more, maybe a little more magenta and olive. Just a little more. All right. Well, I will mix up the resin and we'll be right back. And I might put a little more in there. Let's get that stirred in. Let's stir that in. So we're gonna spray it a bunch of times with the alcohol. I better put some more alcohol in there. So we're gonna spray it a bunch and then pour in our, maybe I'll turn it, oh, I don't know. Let's do it this way. And then immediately pour in our resin. Alcohol's running over. And supposedly you're supposed to spray it with alcohol one more time. And let it go. See what happens. So now I want to put these mini skull and bones on there and check it out and see what it looks like. And I was really happy about it. And so I'm gonna E6000 these onto the tray. And I forgot to take pictures of these. I guess I was just too busy making all these resin pieces to to remember to take pictures, but that's what it looked like. And I actually made 2 of these trays. I made this one and I did another one. I'll show you here in just a second. So here it is, and I put a little skull and bones on it also. It's a little bit different colors that I used in this one, but they turned out so adorable and so much fun to make. So, as always, August acrylic art was up first, then Creations with Tanya. And I appreciate everyone being here, watching, subscribing, supporting. I love you all, and I will see you all in the next one. And give this one a try. So much fun. Absolutely fun. See you in the next one.